Have you ever looked in the fridge at the end of a long day and thought, it's just me tonight. Is it even worth cooking? If so, I promise you the answer is yes. Today, I'm sharing 4 cheap, fast, high protein meals made just for one. Every single dish costs under $5, takes 15 minutes or less, and leaves you with almost zero cleanup. And make sure you stick around until meal number 4, because it's our absolute protein champion of the day, delivering almost 40 grams of protein for under $4. Let's dive right into meal number 1. Meal 1. Classic melty tuna melt, coming in at just $2.20. This warm, melty tuna packs 30 grams of protein and takes only 10 minutes. Canned tuna is one of the cheapest ways to get top quality protein and omega-3 fats with zero food waste. Simply drain a small can of light tuna and mix it with a tablespoon of mayonnaise or high protein Greek yogurt, seasoned with pepper and garlic powder. Lightly toast a slice of whole grain or sourdough bread, spoon that tuna right on top. Add a sliced tomato or spinach and top with cheddar cheese. Pop it in a toaster oven or a covered skillet on medium-low for 3 minutes until the cheese melts into a golden, bubbly treat that's soft and easy on the teeth. Meal 2. Mug meatloaf. Meal number 2 is a single-serve mug meatloaf, giving you all that cozy home-cooked flavor in 8 minutes, with 32 grams of protein for about $3.10. In a microwave-safe mug, fork mix a quarter pound of ground turkey or beef, 2 tablespoons of quick oats, 1 egg, a tablespoon of ketchup, a splash of Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of dried onion. The oats and egg keep the meat remarkably tender and juicy as it cooks. Smooth the top with a bit of extra ketchup, then microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes until cooked through. Let it rest for 2 minutes so the juices settle. Then slide it onto a plate alongside warm green beans for a classic comfort meal with only one dish to wash. Meal 3. Quick egg fried rice with edamame. Number 3 is an egg fried rice boosted with edamame, costing just $2.45, taking 10 minutes and delivering 24 grams of protein. Shelling edamame gives you a huge plant protein boost without any extra prep work. Heat a teaspoon of oil in a skillet, quickly scramble 2 eggs until soft, and set them aside. In that same warm pan, saute half a cup of frozen edamame and mixed veggies for 2 minutes, then toss in a cup of pre-cooked or microwave pouch rice with a tablespoon of soy sauce, breaking up any rice clumps with your spatula. Fold the eggs back in, add a tiny drizzle of sesame oil for a rich aroma, and serve it up in a cozy bowl. Meal 4. Skillet chicken and white bean stew. Our final dish is our biggest protein champion, a skillet chicken and white bean stew packing 38 grams of protein in 15 minutes for $3.85. Dice 1 chicken breast into small bite-sized pieces and brown it in olive oil with garlic powder, salt, and pepper for 5 minutes. Pour in half a cup of low-sodium chicken broth and half a can of rinsed white beans, making sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Cover and simmer on low for 5 minutes so the chicken stays juicy and the beans turn soft and creamy. Then stir in a handful of fresh spinach until wilted and enjoy straight from the skillet. Now, here are 2 quick tips to make cooking effortless. First, stock your freezer with frozen spinach, edamame, and individual chicken breasts so you waste less food and always have a healthy meal within reach. Second, keep garlic powder, soy sauce, and Italian herbs handy so you can add big flavor to budget staples without needing extra salt. And that's it. 4 cheap, easy, high-protein dinners to keep you strong, steady, and well-fed. Which of these 4 are you going to try first? Drop a comment down below, and if this video made your week a little easier, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next one. Take good care of yourself and happy cooking.